Good afternoon everybody, the light's just holding out for us. We've got Renault Captur, Hotel Victor 15 Oscar Papa November. Done an amazing 22,000 miles from brand new. One company owner. Car was registered 23rd of March 2015, so the dealer warranty applies till the end of March 2019. So you get a manufacturer warranty, or a bit of a manufacturer warranty with the car. Let's say a 1.5 DCI, fantastic French diesel engine. They put these 1.5 DCIs in almost everything, but all singing, all dancing, this thing. Comes with cruise control, sat nav, daytime running lights, rear parking sensors, DAB stereo, factory fit removable seat covers, nice alloys, Michelin Primacy 3 tyres all the way around, nice colour, and a very clean and tidy car. Well, you'd expect it to, having done 22,000 miles, and one company owner from brand new. Good looking thing. MOT is due on 23rd of March 2019, so that'll be its second MOT, I would imagine. Front fog lights, side repeaters. It's got a nice bit of privacy glass on the rear windows. Very clean and tidy car. Don't get me wrong, you see a lot of these cars sort of running round. Oh, it does have the keyless entry, keyless start, electric lights, electric wipers, auto wipes, auto wipers and auto lights, should I say, electric lights. Bloody hell. You would imagine that most lights would be electric these days. However, lovely clean and tidy inside. Like I say, it's got these factory fit removable seat covers, which are really dead smart. So if you've got kids with chocolates and lollipop and what have you, you can just take them off, bang them in the wash, they'll come out as new. Very clean and tidy. Comes with a full set of proper Renault fitted mats. Done a really nice 22,000 miles. There are two stamps in the service book, both from Renault, last serviced at just over 17,000 miles. So mileage wise, it's not due another service, I don't think, for another 5,000 miles or so. Again, in the rear, looks like it's never been used. The car drives like it's brand spanking new. Like I say, electric everything. Does have the electric windows by 4. Really good, nice bit of boot space. It's got a little, well, parcel shelf and a little bit of a storage area underneath there, and then beneath that there is, when I can get to it, your obligatory tyre inflation kit. Oh, bear with me. There you go. Never been used, unopened. So if you do have a little mishap, you're pretty much ready to rock and roll. Great little SUV. Like I say, one company owner from brand new. Oh, you can see that as I've walked away from the car, it's locked itself automatically. The car senses when the key's close, and without getting the key out of my pocket, just press the little button, car unlocks. So electric everything. Nice big sized sat nav screen. It does have the USB and aux ports. Not that I'm going to be using that sort of stuff these days, but just very, very clean and tidy car. The roof's black, which sets the car off really nice. There are a couple of nice bits of chrome trim. Wheels are really snazzy. Oh, car's locked itself again. But yeah, all singing, all dancing. Good tyres and alloys all the way around. Proper little car. Any questions, give us a call. You will be more than welcome to come and have a bounce up and down inside it, see how it fits and feels. Drives like it's driven out of the showroom, and I'll do the best I can to answer any of your questions. I think that'll do for now, guys. Thanks for looking, and hopefully we'll see you all soon. Thank you, bye for now, bye.